I've done quite a lot of printing with my Photon Mono over the last few years, and it's been an amazing workhorse for producing really nice engineering parts. But a while ago, I spilled some resin down the front. It was a really stupid accident, and since then it's gotten progressively worse. So the touch screen doesn't work at all locations. So for instance, if I press print, nothing happens. It's as if the entire touch system has moved a little bit further down. So if I press system, I get the print menu, but I can't go back because actually what it's registering is the page up and page down. So then I've got to switch it off, switch it back on, and wait for it to boot up. And if I want to go into the tools menu, for instance, to reset the build plate and calibrate, etc., I can't because I get the system menu and there's no way back from that. So as it stands, I have no manual control. I've managed to pick up a replacement screen, or at least what was advertised as a replacement screen, on AliExpress, and I'm going to see if we can fit it and if it works. Okay, let's start by taking out these screws. I have no idea if these are the right ones. I've never taken this thing apart before, but I guess we'll know soon enough. These are quite tightly mounted in, but once you get past the initial break, they come off quite easily. Okay, there we go. That's the matrix light assembly. I'm assuming that's the power supply for the LEDs. That's the stepper motor, that's the control board, and the control panel is up here. Okay, so that's the board we now need to change. This is the replacement board that I got off Ali. There's a link in the description below if you're looking for one. And it looks like it should be that simple. Okay, that's the 4 screws removed. That just pops off. So I'm going to mark the cable at the top so that I know which way it goes in. You just flip that little piece over there up. And off it comes. Now there's double-sided tape on this board, which I'm guessing I should replicate in order to keep it firm while the printer's printing. There's quite a lot of vibration. I'm guessing that's why they've stuck it down like that. These two boards basically look identical. So this is the one that I've just taken out, and you can see there's a bit of resin on it, and it seems that that resin has been seeping up into the resistive touch layer. Hopefully this will now fix it. I'm just going to clean this up and then put the new one in. I'm just using a bit of isopropyl alcohol to just clean up this mess here. I'm a little surprised that this wasn't slightly better designed to stop any spillage down the front from getting into the screen itself. But now I'll know next time if I do have a similar accident, I should just open it up straight away and clean it out. Okay, there we have the two pieces of double-sided tape. And as easy as that, the screen is reinstalled, or the new screen is installed. Now we just need to fit this back. I'm guessing this aluminium plate acts as a giant heat sink for the UV LEDs. Okay, let's see if we power this up, what happens? Oh, perfect. Yeah, I've taken the USB stick out. Fantastic. There we go, fully restored. There we have it. Fully restored. It took maybe 5 minutes to do if you're not filming. And I'll tinker around with the old board a little bit and see if there's anything I can do with it. But the replacement itself was really easy. Again, there's a link below in the description of where you can get one of these if you're looking for it.